Panthers. Make sure to keep being those haters out there. And today, it's like 11 o'clock right now. We're having a late start because Cam and his dad went on a fishing trip. I didn't go because they were doing some fishing technique that I didn't know how to do. And yeah, we just were sitting around the house. But now I think we're going on a hike. So let's get on to the first day here in Park City. Alright guys, so we're heading to the hike right now. And I'll try to get more clips of the hike that I did yesterday, like the last video, just because it's going to be about a hike. But we're going to have a lot more today. But let's head to the hike. Alright guys, so we've made it to really close to the top of the mountain, and there's a lake on the mountain, and it's really cool. It's like a lake in the middle of the mountain, which is really cool. I'm not sure if we're gonna keep going up to another lake, but yeah, I'll touch base with you guys on what we're gonna do. Alright guys, so we made it back to the start. I'm probably ahead by 10 minutes of the group, but I'm just gonna sit here waiting. And yeah, let's go up with the video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed our first day here in Park City, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that little hike. And another one will be coming out tomorrow, so make sure to like and subscribe to iPanther. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.